Hi, I'm Emanuel and I'm a senior Android developer here at what3words. Today I'm going to show you how to integrate our AutoSuggest component on your Android app. First, we create a new blank app on Android Studio. Our components are hosted on Maven, so all we have to do is add the package name and package ID to our build Gradle file and sync. This will download every single file needed to run our AutoSuggest component. The next step is to add the AutoSuggest Edittext to our view. I'll give it an ID of AutoSuggest, and I'll keep the default text view so we can show the results returned by our edit text. I will give the ID of results. The next step is going to the main activity and do AutoSuggest.API key. So you can get your new API key in our developer portal. And do onSelected, where we're going to get the selected suggestion from our edit text. And I will display the result on our text view. Okay. Let's give it a run and try on my device. I will type field count soap. And there we go. It shows the 3 suggestions for field count soap, and when you click field count soap, you can see that our text field has changed to field count soap with the selected word. Another feature you can add is to enable voice. So all you have to do is say voice enabled to true, and then this will allow the user to say a 3-word address, and we will display the suggestions based on his input. I'll give it another go. We now should see on the right side a new voice icon, and when we click it, it will listen and we'll say the 3-word address. Field count soap. And here appears field count soap. We press it and we select it. And that's all you need to do to integrate what3words with your Android app. If you need more samples, you can visit our GitHub page. Thank you for watching.